Okay, so in the case that you want to have um, many items on one clip, a situation came up where when we bring the mesh object in, um, there's a clip that comes in automatically with it. If you double click on the animation, you'll see it brings this animation clip up. Now the problem with that is that if you use this clip, it's read only. I don't know of a way to make it turn that off to make it not read only. But the way it is now, and the searching that I did online is that you can't do that, and this is read only, so it's you're kind of stuck with it, right? So this clip can't be changed. So now here's another clip that I added. I double click on that one. On this clip, I changed some properties to this hand joint here, and you can see I changed some color properties to it. So I have a new clip now, right, with these color properties changing. So if I go to the game mode and press play, it's gonna have to update everything. Right, so now we'll see the animation that I have on this hand joint right there. So I'm changing the colors on that. So we got that. So we'll stop, back to the scene. So now if I click on this one, right, you can see I've got this clip, right? And so to add a clip, of course, that's another subject, assuming that you already know how to add a clip to this by having the animator on there. If you click on here, there's an animator, and then you can add a clip. All right, so anyway, we got a clip already on this object in the scene, and I added the property already from this hand joint and made some color changes. So now the question is how to use a new clip with color changes and stuff like that, and also have the bones work, right? Because if you notice, when we press play, this thing wasn't moving. So the answer to that is you open up this clip with the bones on it, and then go to curves, and simply select all the curves and press Control C, right? So you can't really edit these or do anything, but you can copy them. You can copy those curves, all right? And so then if I click back over here, and there you can see I've got these curves for that. Now if I go down to the master and I select Control V, you can see because I have the master selected now, whatever animation clip, whatever animation was on that master has now been copied. So it basically copied all the animation that exists for all of these bones that are there. If there's an animation there, it copied it. All right, so now let's put this aside for a second. So now that okay, let's look at this again for a sec. So you can see I'm going to lock this down. So this clip is the new animation clip. If I click around on this, you can see the other things I have animated. So the color on here is animated, and then I click down here, you can see these other keyframes as well. So all these have been added to this same clip here, right? But we had to start with a fresh clip in order to make that happen. So now if we go to the game mode and we press play, we should see this animation play now, and also the color change. So there you go. So yeah, so now we got the bone animation and also the color clip happening at the same time. So this was bugging me. I knew we could do it. And in the case that you want to do this, we should be able to do it.